Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of a Subaru 4-Star 2018. In this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. What you need to do is you need to use this area over here. There is a scroll button. Scroll down to find this menu, press and hold. Once you're there, press and hold it for about 4 seconds. Then scroll down to screen settings. Press it to enter the screen settings area. Scroll down to find languages. Press it to enter it. Press again so you can change it. Let's say change it to Dutch. Press it. Scroll down to set. Press it. And as you can see, the language of the menu has been changed to the Dutch language. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.